Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but I wanted to let you know that we have recently added some products to our online store. They will be a limited run, but we will be adding more products down the line. The link is in the bio if you're interested.
I got the precision marking. I'm just doing it by eye now. Yeah, I got cut last week. I was working
What it's
on
like to work on cars.
Yeah.
I've insulated the rear quarters with foam, and what that does is it seals up any cracks that I couldn't weld fully, and when the wheel's rolling it keeps it from getting moisture and rocks inside. And what I did here is this is where it mounts in the hole back there. So right now it's just a M6 stud so that it keeps the whole fender aligned so that I could stick the tape, because I only have one shot to get this on. So this will help get it on straight. Alright, got this fender on, and as you can see how it lines up pretty well. I'm going to do the other side and then the door cap. So just got the rear bumper caps on, And one really nice feature about this kit is it comes with this, I don't know if you can see it, it holds the fender together. So this is all tightened down now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop this off. I'm going to use this oscillating tool with a very mild blade, very good for plastic and fiberglass.